and mix the two together. Like I said in the beginning of this video, that this cream caramel is what I call the main ingredient in this recipe is egg. So all we need is this egg. When we whisk it, then we mix the mixture of the egg and the milk. Done mixing the eggs and the sugar, so next thing is to bring out the liquid mixture of the air, the milk and the heavy cream and vanilla. Then I mix with this one as well. It will not be hot. Like I said, I left it to just warm a bit. It's not going to be too hot, it will not going to be cold as well, so but it will be warm, just warm. That's what we need. So it's right time to pour in the milk mixture into the egg mixture and mix them together. It's so yummy. You will not want to miss this recipe. Honestly, when you do it, you will understand what I mean. Then you will like to. Both the children, both my husband, both me love. You can imagine when children love this recipe, you keep doing it every day. Guys, this time it's time to transfer it to our baking pan. But before we transfer this mixture, I'm going to add in our caramel. You know, like I said, you cannot make this cream caramel without caramel. So this caramel you see right here is the one I did before, and I used to conserve it. So I used to conserve it in this bottle and cover it very tight. Whenever I need it, all I do is just pop it out and put it in my microwave and microwave it. So but this one, as you can see, it didn't microwave very well, so I had to pour it out like that and melt it in my oven, so you can see the surface. I made a video about it anyway, in case you want to know how to make this caramel. Here is the thumbnail of the video I made about it, so you can watch it as well. You can check it on my YouTube channel and watch the video. We have poured in our caramel. It's time to pour in our cream caramel, our liquid mixture. So we are going to pour it into this pan. Anyway, I used 2 pans. Anyway, this is not the main pan I used to use. I use this one and the other one, the rectangular one. So but it's the main rectangular one that I always use for this thing. So and we are going to bake it for 50 minutes in 120 degree, but it's okay. So right now, here is our baked cream caramel. Before we pop it out into that pan, we need to use knife and pass around the corner, so that when we are transferring it into that pan, it will come out smoothly. That's the essence of passing the knife on the corner of the small pan that we use to bake it. So we are going to transfer it. Anyway, you're supposed to leave it in the fridge before you bring it out, as in before you transfer it. But I prefer transferring mine subito, like Italians say, fast. Why? Because I have a little child. I may get distracted at any time. so that I will not forget finishing this video. That is why I always do mine once and for all, that moment, you understand. So that's the essence of I did it fast. I didn't have to leave it in the fridge to cool before I can transfer it. No, I had to transfer it even if it's hot. You can see the hotness of it. It's very hot. So this is our cream caramel. This recipe is yummy. You will love it. Trust me on this one. You will love it, and your family will love it as well. Give it a try. Whack this recipe. you have to give it a try. Is an advice, as in is the best. If it is in Italian, they will tell you consiglio. You understand? So the best advice I can give you, this recipe is healthy, is yummy. You need to give it a try, for real. Give it a try. So you can see how yummy it is. Guys, I recommend you try this recipe for your kids, especially those who have kids. You yourself, you will love this recipe when you give it a try for the first time. The first day I ate this, my goodness, it was fantastic. You need to give it a try and trust me on this one. I hope you all enjoyed what we did, how we did our creme caramel. The recipe, you will love it. In fact, you need to give it a try. You know, there are some recipes that you will. Here is our creme caramel. So let's give it a test and see how it is. This is yummy. In fact, let me tell you the truth. Like I said, the main ingredient for this recipe is egg. There are other ingredients, as you can see how we prepared it. We added other ingredients. This recipe, you can as well use it as an appetizer. Or after your meal, you use this one to transport your meal down to your stomach. This recipe is great. I hope you will like it. Please give it a try and let me know how you went about it. This is how we made this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give us some like and share our videos. At the same time, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, feel free to click that red button that says subscribe. Subscribe to us for more videos like this one, and thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. See you on my next video. Bye bye.